What if the house is empty or partially staged? Does that change anything?
Great question. And yes, we customize our presale cleaning service based on whether your property is empty, partially furnished, fully staged or styled, still lived in. Empty homes, we clean everything from floor to ceiling, including inside cupboards, wardrobes, appliances, and behind fixtures, since there's no furniture to move around. Partially staged homes, we clean around styling furniture, decor, and soft furnishings, paying attention to what will appear in listing photos and inspections. Occupy homes, we clean with care around your personal belongings, and we can also help you with light decluttering or fridge wardrobe resets if needed. Important note, empty homes can actually show worse if not professionally cleaned. Dirt, dust, and odors are more noticeable in vacant spaces. That's why many homeowners book a clean immediately after moving out or before final handover.